Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a fundamental question that often comes up when working with arrays of items. How do you union them? Whether you're a developer, data analyst, or simply someone who works with lists and collections, understanding how to combine multiple arrays into a game changer. In this video, we'll explore the concept of unioning arrays, why it's important, and walk through a step-by-step explanation of how to do it effectively. So, what is an array union simply put? It's a way to combine multiple arrays into one, removing any duplicates in the process. Think of it like combining two lists of your favorite foods. You want to end up with a single list that includes all the unique items from both lists. The first step in unioning arrays is to identify the common elements between them. This might seem obvious, but it's crucial to understand what makes these elements common. In most cases, this means looking for identical values or objects within each array. However, depending on your specific use case, you may need to consider other factors, such as object properties or even custom comparison functions. Once you've identified the common elements, the next step is to remove any duplicates from the resulting unioned array. This is where things can get a bit tricky, especially when dealing with complex objects or nested arrays. The key here is to understand how your programming language or library of choice handles equality, comparisons, and duplicate removal. Now, let's consider an example to illustrate this process. Suppose we have two arrays, one containing the names of European cities, and another containing the names of cities from around the world. We want to create a new array that includes all the unique city names from both lists. To do this, we'd first identify the common elements, in this case, any city names that appear in both lists. Then, we'd remove any duplicates from the resulting unioned array, ensuring that each city name appears only once. So, what are the main points to take away from our discussion on unioning arrays? Firstly, understand the importance of identifying common elements between arrays. Secondly, recognize the need to remove duplicates from the resulting unioned array. Finally, be aware of how your programming language or library handles equality, comparisons, and duplicate removal. That's it for today's video on union arrays. We hope you now have a better understanding of this fundamental concept and can apply it in your own project. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to discuss, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on programming and related topics. As a final thought, unioning arrays is just one of many techniques you can use to manipulate and transform data. By mastering these concepts, you'll become proficient in working with complex data sets and unlock new possibilities in your coding journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.